In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in Figma. Zooming in might sound like a really small action, but it actually makes a big difference when you're designing. Being able to quickly focus on details, check spacing, or read small text clearly will make your workflow a lot smoother. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through a simple, reliable way to zoom in using Figma's built-in controls, so you always know exactly where to look and what to click. First, make sure you have your Figma file open in the design view. You should see your canvas in the center, your layers on the left, and your properties panel on the right. Now, direct your attention to the very top right corner of the canvas area. There, you'll see a small percentage value. This might say something like 50%, 100%, or 200%, depending on how far in or out you're currently zoomed. This percentage is your zoom level indicator, and it's also a control you can interact with. To start, move your cursor over that percentage and click on it once. When you click it, a small menu will appear. This menu gives you different zoom options, such as preset zoom levels, fit to screen, and importantly, the option to zoom in. In that menu, look for the option labeled Zoom In. It will usually be listed clearly among the other zoom choices. Go ahead and click Zoom In. When you do this, Figma will increase the zoom level on your canvas, bringing your design closer so you can see more detail. You should notice the percentage value in the top right corner update to a higher number, confirming that you're now more zoomed in than before. You can repeat this process as many times as you need. Each time you click that percentage and then select zoom in, the canvas will move in closer. This is especially helpful when you're working on fine details like icons, tight layouts, or small text that's hard to read at a lower zoom level. If you ever feel too close to your design, remember that you can return to that same percentage menu to choose another zoom level or select an option that fits the entire design back on screen. Getting comfortable with this zoom control will help you move around your projects more confidently and keep your focus exactly where you need it as you design in Figma.